Hey everyone, in this YouTube video, I will show you how to create your koi pond. First, start by visualizing your dream pond. You can use Pinterest, YouTube, magazines, or draw it out. Figure out the perfect spot for it in your yard. Measure your area. You can use spray paint on your lawn to get a clear idea of the layout. Remember, once you start your project, your ideas evolve.
I think you're looking at the front side right now.
I am. So this rock used to be under our fireplace in our old house.
A skimmer box is crucial for keeping your pond clean. These large stones are for steps, plants, and hiding spots. Place your rocks so you have more sound coming from your water. You can buy a variety of containers to put your plants in, or become creative and make your own. I tend to just stick some between the rocks.
Bless you. Bless you, Bootsy.